Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, collectives. Okay, so yeah, love read. This is for January na. Okay, this is for January. Collective love reading. This coming January. Okay. For this coming January. Ay, oo. Baka may pansit-pansit pa ako dito. No, 'di ba? Kamusta naman ang holidays? Oo. Pansit. Let's see, ha. Okay, so again, yes. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading sa ating mga items, okay, meron tayong protection from evil eye, we have rings, necklace, bracelet, okay, and meron tayong love bracelet, okay, iba po ito ha, kay evil eye bracelet. Okay, so this is for love. Okay, pwede yan sa singles, pwede yan sa may mga complicated connections, no? So yan, and ipoprovide niya kung anong kailangan sa situation, sa kung anong connection meron. And yung ating granter necklace, so si granter is yung taga-grant. Okay, taga-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest, lalo na kung deserve nyo yung minamanifest nyo. No downtime pagdating kay granter. This is unisex. Okay po. And yes, meron din siyang mga ginagrant na sa tingin ko parang hindi nyo na ma-manifest or hindi nyo minamanifest. Yung akala nyo hindi nyo makukuha, hindi nyo matatanggap, or parang wala lang kayong idea. So siya na yung magpo-provide nun. Okay, it's like a surprise, no? Mas maganda ngayon parang surprise every month. Parang meron siyang ganon, okay? And yung ating huli. Ito yung ating latest. Yung ating pang-cord cut. Okay, pang-cord cut. So, tatanggalin yung mga sabihin nating bulok na energy na talagang nagpapabigat lang, no, sa ating frequency para tumaas tayo. Okay, so ito yun. Madalas, mga energy ng past person yung ating iniaalis. Okay, kasi yes, nakakapagpabigat yun yung mga past. Oo naman. Oo, para kayo naka-chain doon, para kayo nakakadena, paano kayo mag-move forward kung nandun pa kayo, no? So, ito yung magka-cut. Yes. Okay, kung may tanong, message na lang po kayo sa aking pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, alam nyo, before ako mag-start dito sa read, ang feeling ko is like excited. I don't know, baka excited lang ako kasi ang tagal kong hindi nag-read. Oo, namahinga tayo ng kauntian. No? Oo, namahinga yung aking lalaugan ng kaunti ang oras, kaunti ang araw, no? So, let's start, collectives. So, no zodiac sign needed every time na makikinig at manonood ng collective reading. So, let's see. This is the person on your mind. Okay, yung favorite. The fave ng ating mga. So, every time, no, collectives. Ito ha. Ito ang rules ko. Kung manonood ka ng collectives, dapat naka-follow ka. Okay? Dapat naka-follow ka. Kasi kung hindi, kung nanonood ka lang dyan, well, I don't know. Para ka lang multo dyan. No? Okay? So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? So, let's see. Let's start our collective love reading. This is for January. Okay, the person on your mind, collective. So, who is this person you're thinking of? Let's see anong meron sa kanya, your person's energy right now. Let's see. The Knight of Pentacles. Slow motion. Some of them, may pagka-slow motion. Oo. Pwedeng Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Some of you, ikaw itong parang nababagalan pagdating sa kanya. Okay? Some of you, meron kayong, there's this energy ng slow to no action coming from this person, or pwedeng in general, nababagalan ka lang talaga sa kanya, sa action niya. Let's see, what's with this Knight of Pentacles? Some of them, merong issue pagdating sa pera. Okay? So, kapag sinabing issue, hindi naman palaging negative. Okay, sabi natin, yes, may pera, pero napakagastador. Parang ganun. Okay? So, what's with this Knight of Pentacles? The Seven of Swords. In reversed. Okay. So, talagang meron kang hinihintay sa taong to. An answer, maybe. An action, maybe. Okay? Meron kang hinihintay something significant. About action. Let's see. Ano tong Seven of Swords? Some of you, may nalalaman ka. May idea ka kung anong meron sa kanya. Yeah. May idea ka. I don't know. There's this stalking energy. Pwedeng ini-stalk mo to, collectives. Ten of Chalices in reversed. Some of them, there's this family issue. Or something lang na talagang may pagkasad. Yung iba sa kanila, they're too, sabihin natin, may pagka-loner. Ayaw nila ng nakikihalubilo sa ibang tao. Okay? Ten of Chalices. Ayaw nila ng occasion, something like that. I don't know why. Hindi yun para sa lahat ha. Kumukuha lang ako ng mga energy kung anong meron talaga. Hindi naman lahat is nandun sa person mo, no? May chance nga hindi ka makaka-resonate. Okay? Pwede kasing hindi mo alam ay ganun pala siya. Okay? So, some of them meron kang alam behind their family. Kung anong meron sa family niya, there's this issue. That's specific, not for all. Okay? Pwedeng meron silang medyo, I don't know, like pagbagal sa pera, something like that. Anyway, so ano bang meron sa situation ninyo, collectives? So we have here earth, air, and water. Yeah, this could be any sign anyway. So let's see. Ano ba ang situation ninyo ngayon nitong person mo na to? Some of you talagang nakukulangan ka sa kanya, nalulungkot ka, nakakapagbigay siya ng, sabihin natin, kung wala siyang ginagawa, nalulungkot ka. Parang yes, you're longing maybe or maybe them. Okay, let's see. Situation, the Two of Wands in reversed. Somebody wants to take action, I think. Two of Wands in reversed. Yeah, the Five of Wands. Somebody wants to take action. Yes, yeah, the Ace of Wands. Ooh, the Five of Swords. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. Alam nyo collective, sa situation sa ngayon, meron ditong parang yung energy niya is like, energy ng situation is like back and forth. Okay, may tagging. There's this issue here. There's an issue here, I think. Okay, may chance na dapat nagawa ko na yung kailangan kong gawin. Pagdating sa situation, dapat umuusad na yung situation namin ng taong to. Pero, I think there's a blockage here. Okay, there's blockages, I think. What's the blockage? What's the blockage here? Anong blockage dito? Anong humaharang dito para mangyari ito? Kasi, handa na Okay, may handa na dito. Like open. Okay? So, anong blockages? The Knight of Wands. Another person involved. Okay? Another person involved. Yeah, the King of Chalices. Oh. Okay. So, some of you, ang blockage dito is yung hindi pagiging open sa emosyon. So, maybe, yung emosyon dito, yung parang kulang, yung parang hinahanap. Yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo ay may connection, nag-uusap kayo, nababagalan na kayo, okay, sa nangyayari, kasi nobody is nag-open up sa kanilang emosyon. Maybe you, maybe them. Okay? There's this play, parang ganyan, playtime, parang ganyan. Is he serious or is she serious? Parang ganyan. Okay? Kasi somebody hindi pa totally open when it comes to their emotions. Yeah. Somebody is like afraid. Okay, afraid pa, or yeah, maybe that's the sabihin nating harang, okay? Kung bakit hindi nagiging smooth flowing yung connection or yung situation. Yeah. What is their emotion? Let's see. Nakatago ha yung iba. Nakatago yung emosyon nila. Parang pinapakita, okay, playtime lang muna to. Pero yes, I have something. Yes, my emotion is deep, deep, deep. O, diba? Tingnan natin. Ano ba ang emosyon nito for you talaga? Like deep, deep, deep down. The Page of Chalices. They like you. Yeah. Totoo naman. They like you. They have emotion. The Page of Chalices. Andyan yung crush. Energy. Crush, crush. Crushy, crushy. Some of them, they're young, I think. Okay, kaya andyan yung parang hindi niya kaya ipakita or hindi siya maging transparent sa kanyang emotion for you. Maybe, yeah, this is crush energy. May crush sa'yo tong taong to, collectives, kung sino man to. Nababagalan ka sa kanya, no? Oo, specific, nababagalan ka sa kanya. Ay, nahanap mo talaga kung ano emosyon nito for you. Yes, nandyan yung may connection kayo or nag-uusap kayo. Everyday nagkikita, maybe, pero hindi sila nakakapag-open up. They like you. Basagin natin yun, no? Basagin natin yung harang na yan. They like you. Okay, the Page of Chalices. The Hermit, they're just afraid to show feelings, to show emotions. They're afraid being hurt, getting hurt, maybe. Okay? Sa totoo lang, sila rin, kahit sila, nabubisit na rin sila sa sarili nila, hindi kasi nila kaya maging open. Yeah. Some of them, they're just afraid na maging ma-friend zone. May ganun ha. May ganun. Hindi nila alam kung paano. They don't know how. They don't know how mag-express ng emotion. But yeah, they like you. Kailangan natin ibulong. Kasi ayaw niya iparinig. Ayaw niya ipaalam yun. They like you. Oo, diba? Naiya siya eh. Oo, naiya siya sabihin. Let's see. What is their next action this January? Okay. Their next action towards you, collectives. Again ha, yung kinukuha ko lang dito na energy is yung mga nakasubscribe, yung mga nakafollow. Okay? So, kung ikaw itong nanonood na parang wala lang, dumaan ka lang, nakikinig ka lang, wala ka mang ginawa, then this is not your read. Okay? This is not your energy. Well, okay, let's see. Next action. Whoops. The Four of Wands. Yeah. Connection. Deep connection. So, may chance, no? Na mag-open up sa'yo tong taong to. Yeah. Gusto ng taong tong magkaroon na kayo ng connection. Okay? Some of them mag-voice out na ng kalang mga nararamdaman sa inyo. Kung ano mang nararamdaman yun, sasabihin na niya. Okay? That's with that Four of Wands. Some of them, they like, sabihin nating magkaroon kayo ng mas matagal pang connection. Okay? Well, the Four of Wands, that's stability. Okay? They want stability with you. The Five, oh no. This person really, really likes you. Yeah, they really like you. Okay? Yeah, the Page of Pentacles. May magsisimula. By January, kung ito nangyari na sa inyo nung mga nakaraan, by January, itong person mo pwedeng mag-open up na. Whether kung ano man, gender niya. Okay? Whether kung ano mang gender niya. Yeah. There's this decision. Yeah, the Six of Swords. Yeah. Meron ako nakikitang maganda. Yes. Okay. Let's see. Kunin natin. Kasi there's blockage, di ba? May blockage dito eh. Kunin natin kung ano at paano mawawala yung blockage. Okay? Ibahin natin yung read. tingnan natin, paano mag-open up itong taong to kung may blockage. Ano kailangan mong gawin? Meron ba? Let's see. Okay. Meron ka bang kailangan gawin? Anong kailangan mong gawin, collectives? Para mag-open up sa'yo itong taong to. Let's see. The Nine of Pentacles inversed. Okay. So, ipakita mo lang na talagang open ka for commitments. Open ka na you're ready. Maybe, and hindi rin nito ipinapakita na nagka-crave. Okay? Hindi pinapakita ng card na to na nagka-crave yung energy. Hindi na ipaparamdam na nagka-crave. Longing. No. See? The Eight of Chalices. Ipakita mo sa kanya na you're always present rin. Okay? Na sabihin nating iparamdam mo, no, yung energy mo is nandyan lang. Okay? Na every time na nandyan siya, nandyan ka rin for him or for her. Okay? The Nine of Pentacles is commitments. Ito yung being mature. Okay? Pagdating sa relasyon or sa connection. Kasi I think this person is trying to look for something like significant pagdating sa ginugusto niya. Okay? Kasi pasok ka na. Oo, pasok ka na sa criteria. Oo, sa criteria nitong taong to. Meron lang siyang something na gusto pang makita, I think. Okay? So, yung isang yun is gusto niya makita kung talagang pwede siyang mag-commit sa'yo. Okay? And kung committed ka rin sa kanya, I think this is like mutual. Okay? Mutual. Sinasabi dito, as the first card, o as your first card, the Knight of Pentacles, may chance na slow burner connection to. Okay? Hindi minamadali. Hindi pinupwersa. Just go with the flow. Okay? Ganun ganun ang nakukuha ko. Hindi pwedeng, okay, for-force ko to. Papakita ko sa kanya na ganito, ganyan. No, just go with the flow. Kung anong meron sa kanya, kung anong tugtog niya siyang sayaw mo, parang ganun. See, the Ace of Chalices. May something dito na pwedeng mangyari, like pwedeng may mag-start. Okay? Pwedeng may mag-start dito. Whether this is a past or new, mayroong potential itong connection na to ngayon. Okay? So, being the Ace of Chalices, kung anong dapat mo rin gawin, that's self-love, that's self-respect. Okay? So, yun ha. Yes, open ka or sabihin nating available or sabihin nating present ka for them, pero mas present ako sa akin. Parang ganun. Okay? May time ako for myself. Okay? Parang ganun. Papakita mo sa kanya na, no, may time din naman ako sa sarili ko. Hindi ako parang yung bigay lahat. I can say no sometimes. Parang ganun. Okay? Yes. Alam niyo yun, sana gets niyo kung anong papaano yung energy. Okay? So, yun. Ang akin nakikita. Okay, so hindi ko na babanggitin yung mga zodiac sign dito. Yeah, this could be any sign naman. So, let's see. Tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Okay? All signs. Aries through Pisces. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? So, kung sino man ang mga naka-subscribe, mga naka-follow, so, ito, you're my, collectives. Okay? Yun ang masasabi kong collectives ko lang. Yeah, di naman mahirap mag-follow. Okay? Let's see. Aries through Pisces. Okay. So, if you're dealing with an Aries, they're guarded. Okay, they're guarded. Taurus, they want to reconcile. Some of them, they like you. They want to see you. They want to hang around with you. Gemini, and they are open for you. Yeah. The Cancerian, attracted, like big time attractions yung nandito. Okay? They want to have a child with you, something like that. You're the Empress. Okay? Empress, Emperor. Leo, selfish. I don't know. Some of them, they're trying to hide their feelings. Okay, pwedeng yun lang, hinahide lang nila yung feelings for you. Virgo, they want to give you something. Yeah, they want to be open. They want to see you. Libra, they're afraid. I don't know why. Excuse me, they're afraid na maging open. Something like that. Scorpio, you're their wish fulfillment. Yeah. You're their wish fulfillment na parang hindi nila ma-fulfill. I don't know why. So, Sagittarius, choosing to stay. Still choosing you kahit ilang beses. Yeah. They won't go anywhere. Capricorn, they want to fix things, like they want to clear things, clear the air with you. Aquarius, so there's this parang panghihinayang. Some of them, kung hindi pa sila nag-open up sa'yo, nandoon yung andun yung naramdaman nilang like missed opportunity. There's this missed opportunity. Akong nararamdaman para sa'yo, collective siya. So yun, parang na-channel ko lang yung sinabi ng Aqua. Okay? Pisces, they're sad. They're thinking of you. They're jealous. Alam niyo, parang child na nagtatantrums. Parang ganun yung energy niya. Okay? They won't go anywhere. Yeah. Some of them, andun yung energy na pinagdadamot ka niya. Okay? I don't know. Some of you, if you're giving attention to other people, to other energy, they're jealous. Okay? They're jealous. So, there. Yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, collective. So, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!